Goodwear is our family business, and my dad started it over 40 years ago in the 80s to basically make heavyweight cotton t-shirts for screen printing. And that was really what we did up until 2016. And I came in 2019 to start an e-commerce business side of the brand. Um, and yeah, so we're 100% made in USA, cotton basics brand, sort of unisex styling, and just heavyweight, all made in the USA. T-shirts, sweatpants, sweatshirts, stuff like that. Specifically with Alia, email performance campaign wise has always been decent, getting stronger, but the welcome flow and first time customer targeting was just always kind of a problem I had with email for whatever reason. We've always offered a 10% discount, but getting people to react to the emails to the flows has been a challenge. And so I thought it was just a great idea to kind of put all the information I wanted to tell a first time customer right on the landing page and teach them about the brand very briefly and give them their code right there. We tried sort of offering a broad code like welcome 10 in Facebook ads and saying first time customers get 10% off. And then they would go to the site and they'd get the pop-up to put their email in. That was really the only thing we did other than a pop-up, just getting them to subscribe. Honestly, no. I had never really thought about it. And then when I saw the product, I kind of knew right away that it would really drive first-time customers, giving them the code right on the homepage, and then teaching them about the brand, because we're really aggressively marketing for top of funnel right now, and getting first-time people like really acquainted with the brand right off the bat was just a really good idea, I thought. Yeah, so just in the last 30 days, sign up rate is at 33%. Driven sales is about 13,000. We've gained about 600 email subscribers in the last month or so. And our conversion rate from the sign up is 21%. And the people, all visitors that sign up through the app is at 2.3%. And I think when we had a pop-up that would send them to the email flow, trying to get that conversion rate to about 1% was a challenge. So we're way beyond where we used to be, just in email acquisition. Definitely going to keep using it until anything tells me otherwise, but it's really performing very well. So I don't see any reason to stop using it anytime soon. And I guess the only thing I'd